Introducing the Next Playground game system, the ultimate way to bring family game night to life. This innovative video game console uses AI-powered motion tracking to turn your living room into an interactive play space. With a wide range of fun games that blend digital excitement with physical activity, the Next Playground gets everyone up and moving, making it perfect for both kids and adults. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying some quality time with the family, this system transform any space into a mesmerizing galaxy with this star projector. Perfect for bedrooms, home theaters, or parties, this Galaxy projector features 14 vibrant LED colors that create a stunning night sky on your walls and ceiling. With a built-in Bluetooth speaker and white noise options, it doubles as a relaxing ambience enhancer or a fun party accessory. The included remote control allows you to easily switch colors, adjust brightness, and change sound settings, making it perfect for kids. Bottle, your ultimate companion for perfectly blended shakes and meal replacements. This 24-ounce mixer cup is USB rechargeable, making it super convenient for on-the-go use. Designed with BPA-free Tritan material, it's not only durable but also safe and eco-friendly. Whether you're at the gym, work, or traveling, this powerful shaker ensures smooth, clump-free drinks every time. With just the press of a button, your protein shakes, smoothies, or meal replace them. Introducing the Ecolution patented Micro-Pop microwave popcorn popper, your go-to solution for quick and healthy popcorn at home. Crafted from temperature-safe glass, this 1.5-quart popper is BPA-free and designed for easy use. The 3-in-1 lid not only measures kernels for the perfect portion but also melts butter as your popcorn pops, making it a breeze to enjoy a tasty snack. Simply add your kernels, pop in the microwave, and in minutes you'll have fresh, delicious popcorn without the need for Introducing the telescoping magnetic pickup tool set, a must-have gadget for any handyman or mechanic. This versatile set includes an extendable magnet flashlight and an inspection mirror, making it perfect for retrieving lost items in hard-to-reach places and illuminating dark spaces. Whether you're working in the garage, fixing things around the house, or need a handy tool for those tight spots, this set is up to the task. It's a thoughtful and practical gift idea for Father's Day, birthdays,